Now, World 200-meter champion Shericka Jackson opened her 2023 season with a 53.11 seconds clocking to win the 400 meters at the Queen's Grace Jackson Invitational Meet at the National Stadium today. The fastest living woman over 200 meters won the event ahead of St. Vincent Odisha Nanton, who clocked 55.37, and Christina Checker, who crossed the line in 55.78. Jackson says the performance was a comfortable one for her.
Definitely, training has been going well, and I just wanted to come out here and run a good 400. Probably not the time I wanted, but I am healthy and ready to go again, so I'm just excited.
The 28-year-old says she's not putting any extra pressure on herself this season, despite her elevated status in world sprinting, having won 1 gold and 2 silver at the World Championships in Oregon last year.
Definitely for me is no pressure. I believe coach and I did a really pretty good job last year, and for us to stay focused, not to focus on what others expect, but his expectation and my expectation. So I don't think there is no pressure. Once I'm healthy, I'll definitely want to go super fast and will go super faster, so no pressure.